Walter Craven Ceramic Projects India Limited is an Indian company sponsored by Walter Craven Group of Europe to modernize the brick and tile industries in the Indian subcontinent and to set up a brick plant near Calcutta as a reference plant. Walter Craven Group has set up 427 plants all over the world. Walter Craven India has two divisions, a brick making plant and a machine building where complete plant machinery are manufactured under license from Walter Craven Group and the leading European companies. The brick plant is situated in between the river Hooghly and the Grand Trunk Road, the national highway. Clay, the principal raw material, is collected from the river Hooghly, which is fast silting up. Box feeder is the first machine in a brick plant. Clay is mechanically dumped in the box feeder. It holds, supplies the clay to the next grinding unit. From the grinding unit, clay is conveyed through belt conveyor to a long mixing machine where the clay is mixed with water and steam if required. Through another belt conveyor, clay is transported to the extruder where it extrudes in the shape of a brick of desired dimensions. Automatic shaping machine, it cuts 23 bricks at a time and pushes the wire cut bricks to the conveyor belt where the series of conveyors specially manufactured to soft handle the wet bricks up to the steel furnitures where the wet bricks are set on top of the other. Wet bricks are transported inside the hot drying chamber mechanically by fork car. Wet bricks are dried within a predetermined time. Dry bricks are again transported by fork cars inside the kiln where dry bricks are set as per a predetermined pattern and fired from the top. The existing kiln, named as Modified Hoffman Kiln, the feeding of fuel may be solid or liquid or gas, is mechanically operated. This shows manual feeding of fuel. The activity will be replaced by auto coal feeders with auto recorders, a system which controls, monitors, print out the temperature inside the firing zone. 250 to 300 finished bricks will be strapped by steel strapping machines, and each unit of strapped materials shall be transported by 4 cars to the store yard and loaded on the trucks when desired. The finished products are 3-hole perforated brick, hollow block, 10-hole perforated brick, common solid brick, wall tiles and wall tiles of shorter dimension. Unfortunately, Indian brick industry producing 100,000 million bricks annually is still under the unorganized sector, employing 200 years age-old technology. Modernization of this industry shall reduce A. the wanton excavation of agricultural land, B. consumption of solid fuel, C. pollution, and introduce in this country a modern industry under the organized sector.